Hey guys, so it's that time of the month again. We are unboxing Cloth and Paper's August subscription box. So let's take a quick little look. I think I'm going to end up taking everything out. Okay. So that way all of this is not in the way. Okay, so that is everything. Let's see. So this one is a what's inside, and I'm just gonna put that off to the side so I can reference it. So we have a quote here. It isn't where you came from, it's where you're going that counts. Ella Fitzgerald. And so let's see if this tells us maybe what this is, because I feel like it doesn't have any punch. So I feel like it would be framed. Like you could frame this or something. Does it say here? I don't think I see it. Unless I'm not looking right. But I don't think so. Okay. So I need to do my research on this one. But I love it. It's nice and it's simple. So yeah, I feel like you could just frame this and put this up somewhere. The quote is so nice and super motivational. So let's actually leave it there. So there is luxury and simplicity. All right, so let's try to get this out. And this one is just an abstract letter. And the feeling, it feels so smooth. So I love this. And I believe this is for simplicity. So it's great for layering with vellum and other dashboards. So I love this. This feeling is so soft. So we have the October dashboard as well. October 2020. I've learned that you shouldn't go through life with a catcher's mitt on both hands. You need to be able to throw something back, by Maya Angelou. So this is cute. Like, see, doesn't this look so pretty layered? So that is really cute. This is something that I was excited about because Ashley had shown it and previewed it, and I love this. I am the architect dashboard. Remember that it's never too late to set your plans in motion, and that's just something that says right here. So I just love the design. It's so simple and such a great reminder. I am the architect of days that haven't happened yet. Very, very pretty. Like, look at that, layered. So pretty. I am obsessed with layering now. So then we have the executive notes, I believe. And this just has the subject up here. Then we have the day, the month, and the date, and it's dot grid. Oh, and it has it in the back as well. So it's front and back. So you do get a few of those. So I just love the dot grid. Those are always so helpful. And then we have the October inserts as well for the half letter, of course. This one is the one with the week on 2 pages. So I love that. And then we have a habit tracker. Okay, this looks interesting. So let's look at this. So we have a space for the month up here, and then the habit, and so you could write it down, and then the calendar part of it, and then we have what the goal is, and then some notes sections. So that's great, front and back, and you get quite a few of these. Okay, this is going to be amazing to finally stop making excuses and stick to a habit. And I'm really bad at drinking water, so maybe this is going to be the motivation that I need. So I love that. And then let's look at this one. We have the October little card, and then again here, and then we have the minimalism, and it's a noun. Minimalism most generally refers to a style or approach that uses a small but impactful number of elements. Super pretty, and I love the look that she goes for because you can literally layer anything and it looks so beautiful. So I love these right here. And then we have these transparent matte sticky note tabs. So look at these. These are really, really pretty. So this one is transparent, but then we have the one that is not. So this is going to look great, maybe just popping out of your planner so you can have a tab and a sticky note at the same time. So how genius is that? I'm interested to use this one. That's going to be great. So this is really good. And then we have oat milk and sorbet shape sticky notes. So I love the one that was included with the previous subscription box because those colors are beautiful, and so are these. Like, how neutral are these? I love the ones that were previously included, so I'm super excited that we have another set here. But I am so excited for everything that was included with this month's subscription box. I'm excited about these habit trackers. And then these right here because I love dot grid. I think it's such a great form of a writing guide because I cannot write straight to save my life. I am loving these dashboards. Really, really pretty. So pretty. Like, just look at that. I love that you're able to layer it. This is way too soft. And I'm going to find a frame for this one. I am really excited. I love how simple it is, and it's just such a great quote. Everything is just so pretty, and I love everything that was included in this month's box. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.